yentia na no na make say President His Excellency President Akufo Addo Dr. Bawumia mo nko baby ya I was saving them a free consultancy advice because na minim said they to na na do Kumase bi beto Dr. Bawumia na minim on sa hogbechocho no omu huro no na sa nya hogbechocho fo anlofo kra na si omu huro no a obi ye opponent obetimi akwa organizing conference omu huro enti the best thing is to save yourself. Don't go out ubekwa any public program amobi ye. But that is also to show you, say, chale koma ewo kromu no. Kroma yeshe dread. Kroma yeshe, people are bloody hungry. E koma dinkrofo papa. Na di entia e koma ni ani bre mebo otum for advice. I see sa voice we video we meba ko se MPP for na mbe change. Otum for asem a oka kire His Excellency na Addo Akufo Addo say. Okwa akoka kire Mahama say abano ye de komni ani bre ne atuti ano enti se President Akufo Addo ba no so be the same thing the komni ani bre betwati ano. This is Ghanaian voters, and it was echoed by Eutu for year and I said to baby opim so he said it and you lady no ya NDC ni no oka and then you onto two for your NDC ni say obi aka bibia kire mo ambedi na time so NDC ana o MPP and now no President Mama nkasa kan asase mo say asa oti akonwa no so ana ya kata wani mo so a mo ye president munya no mo amuti Jubilee House na mo ye president no esra mo a ba bia mo de na kone ya cheche no mo nsane no mayen na President Akufo Addo nyese no ote na no former President Mahama nkasa be kan asa akonwa wo te so a ye kata wani ufri so a won say the President Mahama nkasa ende no Mohammed na akonwa no so sesi o mbe kata ono so ani abaifo na mugu Jubilee no mo so mo nsesa asofo na ha na wo se nka mkobo mpaye no asofo no aha na wo se mkobo mpaye no omo akogidi nro obokina Benin ene ade abehehye Jubilee ho no mo asofo no mko na mkotu right is here ko wo ka se media for no kwan na we yetirim ye de asawa na we yetirim cotton na we yetirim adwene yetim na wo kra no so for me o join party eyeye na ye de join party ena obi si ena efia na you package a year first Nana Addo na de mayen you package Nana Addo o koto aba no 18 years and above na as o de ma me for masem kra ma so me fire okra ma wa so me ehye me si aha jasu ntini e free program no jasu no yitini e free program no jasu you dey the fact me di atem keke o no me ma fact from University of Ghana econs department na me nya figures we economics department yenya $9.7 billion ewo gold ne oil mu sika na nyina kwa abrochire ye de yesika $5.1 million akra mineral water free Spain aba Ghana if it makes sense to you abra Ghana for mrantie wo omunya adwuma nye mrantie go omunya adwuma nye shine free nkoma say if you don't spare anybody fire everybody me fire omunyina cause obianto aba maame tu be gina na be di matema say de make kama dia kire ono obianto aba na obi say na media for na you are not wa bo media ni pa bi so nkasa ma wana na media for you are not talking now wano na etua ho no se be etua woto wano no etua hey efa wa ehuma wo de wano no won kasa ho constitution e ka say freedom of expression wo de won ka ho if the media is not talking wo de won kasa mami fesi anum say because me say yen fire bio you bia mo ye pass yen fire 20 something years Ghana ensesa Ghana ensesa enti mo amoto na mo de mo keka madwen ye nyina economy na obi kan country broke country no broke we all would day inside ye bre di atem na we akwa koto gobe 15 cedis Udi atemu wi a ukoto gobe 15 cedis. Ukoto gobe 15 cedis. Me say we are demanding answers from the president and his team. Mo ko climate change meeting. Sa climate change meeting we kra mo ko around this time e ko IMF. Muntwem is completely unnecessary. Mo to be fighting galamsey. Mo so mo ko climate change meeting wo Egypt. Galamsey keke kra you can't fight it. You are going to climate change. The best climate change meeting I'm going to me according galamsey no. And they say environment. And they say ensure. The best climate change meeting. And yeah, some Ghana for you to know this is the time you must rise. And can was say more climate change meeting. I'm more Langard or airport. Stop the plane from flying. More country minister and say, yeah, more beyond climate meeting be a net any china 322 people for climate change meeting. Aden. Who cost IMF so one more sika now they have salaries. Akechia crowd would to me chia. Who call all the 322 and I call climate change. Who are what the $14 million? I call walk up, I will correct now waba. Walk up, I would himself will correct now waba. We are on say a quiet benye sika sika so mokoji bia mu bedi. Mokoji bia mu bedi. Ghana mokoji bia mu bedi sika no. Where ye jasu ye fire no said yet ye. The fire no said yet ye. Muhammadu Bashiru no say mon fire more of him. Focus if ya. Frank Kofi Lasco was his if ya. So as we are all crying in this financial crisis, can't Nanado do anything to cut off his minister? But I say Nanado, mama so for the juma. So munko jubilee. Na enro no mo dia show no munko tutu. On my ye nunro. Ko jiji nro wo Dubai, Benin, Burkina. Enona on say kojo upon kromakra pa ba. Kojo upon kromakra pa ba. Brane who said, look, I didn't better. Nanado no kojo upon kromakra nim no. It's not the same. Am I in a I swear to God, me na make a chro. Ya kata nani. Ya de niama she jubilee ho. Ya de niama she jubilee ho nya better. Abema don't come and ask me say, and if yana uji jujudi. Now who can say ye bibini no there na na hon manga. Ya wa African tradition. Ya wa African tradition. Segbaji, Joshua, see, we want military rules. Segbaji, one of the cars and Fakopimbo, military. Now, cast a military by a Benya Quampa.
Juma Yebedina Evrade has medility. Nyashi. But everybody heard it. You understand? A Addo Biate. So when you have a baby, a Yibiawa. But it's a fact. Who doesn't know say you to petrol? And I'm new to it. Why the what Ghana own him say petrol? Why? We gave you a chance to come and tell us what you have for us. You came and did the same bullshit. Yet you want to come to power. Now, Andra, me wawana Emmanuel Obin, me wawana obi sending me iboni araba welcome. Now, onipa na asemu a all can say Akufo Addo speech, you know, empty. Now, mama me can say me nchiremo. Mawusa Mahama, ni speech no come any tone sioma. It was very uninspiring. Yan discuss o baby ao. Mahama ma on no speech ni we you know. Apart from NDC platform, so which objective media did you see them carry it? Nobody even talked about it. Because the tone siom fiat. Yan planet deep yet planet no na ya na hwe. Okay? Now, yakwa comment speech Sunday. Okay? And this former baby being cancer and almost say empty. Are then a year empty. May the big the reason why into almost say your stupidity and you can defend yourself until you are always helpless. So the only thing you have is to insult back as a revenge. But you people are not thinking. You want to collapse an economic management team that has kept the lights on, kept workers working, paid teachers cola. 1D, 1F. The economic management team, yes, everything is hard all over. As a matter of fact, England, the Omobaya no major Krako.